Hello, I am Arvind Upadhyay, and today I will talk about one of the single best qualities that you can develop for successful, and its best quality and the most important quality, and without it, nothing is possible. So great success is that there is no secret. Your hard work is the secret, and timeless principle that have been proven effective throughout the centuries. There are the one special qualities that you can develop that will guarantees your success, accomplishment, and happiness in your life. And thousand of the principle for success you developed at the Arvind Upadhyay. Try Arvind Upadhyay. Go through our official website and accomplish wonderful things with us. I am the one of the world best life and business strategist. You can hire me, you can talk with me, just a little bit pay and achieve but you truly are capable for the achievement. But here I will talk about what is the power of the self-discipline. So I'm talking about the quality of the self-discipline and the habit of the practice of the philosophy and a way of the living. All successful man, woman, highly and disciplined, and all the important work they do. All successful man and women are undisciplined and unable to control their behavior and their abilities, and when they develop the same level of the high personal discipline possessed by the most goal-oriented successful people in our society, you will be very soon begin achieve the same result. That is not miracle. All great success in life is like to sustain the periods of the focusing of your all your hard work, all your dedication, all of your determination for the staying focused and accomplishing everything that in the history. Every man, woman, they always going to do everything is possible. I always talk with everyone that believing in yourself you can do anything. Like you should need to concentrate discipline work in your particular direction, whatever your field you need to be master in that. To record continuous practicing over and over until you master it. Once you have mastered the ability and the skill to dealing the gratification for the ability of your discipline, so like focusing on the important task in the front are that goal you want to accomplish and no task that you cannot complete. There are the every task you can complete, everything you can complete. From the 10 years I am coaching many peoples around the world, many man women, for their successful life, for their unsuccessful life, and their habits for their wasting their time, their minutes and hour each day, because not having the self discipline. There are the grounding out principle in the personal management. In simply say that if you spend all of your time for your highly productive task, and the end of the day you will have a crowded out of the unproductive activities that might have distracted you from your real work and from that you're really important. On the other hand, if you spend on the time on the low value activities, in the reverse happen that those low activities will crowd out the time what you need to complete the task and can make all of the difference in your life. The key of this attitude toward the time and personal management is always self-discipline. So there are the several discipline that you can need to develop want to achieve for your full potential. The first of this discipline of the goal, this means discipline of your goals means sit down with a pad, a paper, and think about the through and make a written list of the all of the things that you want to accomplish in the next 1 2 3 and 4 years, and organize them in the list by list various areas in your life, in your career, your money, your family, your health, and other part of the important thing. And interesting me enough, if you can clear about your goals, your achieving them out, if you are not clear, that means you have not written them down. There is nothing that can help you set your priorities among your goals and rewrite your list so that your most important goals are the top. You that take to separate sheet of paper and make a list of the all of the things that you can do and things to doing right now. The move you toward that attainment is most important fully. 97% of the Indians are trying to live their lives without clear specific written goals. And in the India there are the 97% people never know what they are going to do in life. It's meaning they never have their written goals, they never have written achieve their target. They are besting the enormous amount of the time, lots of their time they are besting. They don't have roadmap, they don't have the full information for the startup. So you need to have your discipline in the planning. So discipline of the planning, like many people think that they are too busy to plan, or they are the themselves enough to do time management, like they have the power of the self discipline, but not execution. Getting a job done is a premiere of planning. So if you want 1,000% return on your time investment by taking the understanding where you are been doing your time, if you do the how delay of the 1 minute, you are not having the self discipline to you. The self discipline is the most important to you. And if you think that something is on interesting on self discipline, and so you can add on the comment. And if you are my official YouTube channel, make sure please subscribe me on the YouTube channel.